Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. My name is Alice. So today I'm going to share with you guys different types of hairstyles you can achieve just from 1 week. And the wig I'll be using myself is this same red one that I'm wearing. So the type of hairstyles I'm going to show you, you don't need any heat at all. You're just gonna need some hair accessories, some ribbons, bobby pins, and that's all. So I have about 7 types of hairstyles I'm going to share with you guys. So let's get right into the video. For those of you who would like to have some short hair but do not want to cut your hair extension or your wig, you can do this to achieve this bob hairstyle. This one is very easy. All you have to do is just to section the hair in 2 parts, the front and the back. Make sure when you're sectioning the hair that you hide all the tracks for the wig or the wig cap so it does not show. Just make sure that it's well combed and you hide all those tracks. So what I just do is just to section it in 2 parts, and then I comb the back part and tie it in a low ponytail. Afterwards I twist the hair and tuck it in. Make sure that it is well secured while you tuck it in. To do this, you can use some bobby pins just to make sure that it is well secured while it's tucked in. Make sure it's also neat and really looks like it's a bob hair, like it's a cut hairstyle. So after that, I just go right ahead and just comb the front part, and then with the front part, I'm just gonna tuck in the hair as well at the back, twist it and then tuck it in just to make it look short as well because it's a long length in front. So I'm just going to tuck it in as well, and there you have it. Very easy and simple. For the next one, it's a very easy look. So this is a side part look, and you can just go right ahead and tie it and braid the hair, and you can go in and just accessorize, put some hair clips or something. So this is a very easy daily look, and this is like an everyday look. So it's very easy and simple. So for the twist crown, what I just do is to section my hair in 2 parts again. I also make sure that I hide my tracks so that the wig cap does not show, but it's a little bit challenging, so you just have to be careful because I was wearing a lace frontal and I had to be very careful with this hairstyle. So what I do is section it in 2 parts, and then I go right ahead and just start twisting my hair, taking the hair and twisting it in, take the front hair, the back hair and twisting it in the front. I had to be really careful on this one because I did not want to mess up my frontal, so it was a little bit challenging for me, but I love how the result came out. So it's very easy, and it just keeps twisting the hair in, bring it in front and hide the front part mostly. So I like the turnout of this, and then you can go right ahead and just put in some accessories as well. So what I just did was just to get a simple hairband, and I just put it there, and just to hide the visible track which was showing, the wig cap which was showing. So this is the final look, and I love the result. It's a very nice hairstyle and I do like it. For this one, it's a low ponytail. So for this one, it's not very much low, but yeah, I was going for a low ponytail, and all you just have to do is just to section your hair and choose the one that you're gonna use for like tying. So you're gonna have to section your hair in 2 again and just comb it well. All these hair which I had to push so hard and tie were a bit challenging because the lace was not really feeling it. But anyway, yeah, so this is very easy. You just have to section your hair, comb the one that you're gonna tie with the ribbon, and then you can go right ahead and also put in another ribbon like I did, and just to make it a little bit colorful, you can go for any color of a ribbon that you want. With the same hairstyle, you can go in and just make it a little bit higher so you can have a higher ponytail. This is a very easy hairstyle and it's very common, like it's being done by many people almost every day. So just make it a little bit higher, and with this same higher ponytail you can also switch it up and have it into a bun. So you can just twist the hair, use some bobby pins to secure the bun, and just to your liking, whichever way that you like it. this is one of my favorite hairstyles. I like this hairstyle. I also created with my own natural hair. So what you have to do, so this is the half mini hairstyle, so it's at 2 ears. What you have to do is to separate the hair into 2 parts, and then the front part you have to section it into 2 as well. So what you have to do is just to tie each side and then twist it up into a tiny bun. So this one I call it the little mini hairstyle. For this hairstyle, we're gonna call it the bowl band. So what you have to do is to separate the hair into 2 parts again. Make sure you get the front back and then just pull it up, comb it up, and make sure you have like a very high ponytail that will be visible if you put your head straight. So just make sure you're careful, because I know it's a bit challenging with dealing with the wig and tracks. So make sure your tracks don't show, and yeah, just comb it up, tie it into a very high ponytail. Once you do that, you're gonna need to separate your ponytail into 2. Then you have just to turn the other one, more like fold it at the back, and then use some bobby pins to secure it, and do the same with the other ones. Then for the hair that's remaining, once you twist the ponytail, you're gonna have to bring it on the middle so you can create that bowl look style. So if that makes sense, so you're just gonna have to do that. Well, you can see you just bring the hair in the front, and then you can use a bobby pin to secure the hair as well. And then with the remaining hair in the front, you just have to style it well, push it all the way back, make sure it's sleek and smooth, and then with the back you can just like maybe tie it up into a braid or something, and then just tuck it in the wig so it's not visible and the hair looks all smooth and sleek. I hope this video was very helpful. What you guys think, you can let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.